Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and today I want to talk about Ecobricks. I'm going to share with you what they are and how you can make them at home. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with everybody because we need to spread the word about these amazing little bricks. This is your opportunity to take responsibility for your plastic waste. So we are currently in lockdown in COVID-19 worldwide and we are still consuming. In fact, we're probably consuming a lot more than we did before. Ecobricks at the right density can be used for so many construction purposes. So what is an Ecobrick? Okay, an Ecobrick is a clear, dry plastic bottle filled with plastic that can't be recycled. Actually start to collect this plastic, you will not believe how much we consume, and we're not taking responsibility for the plastic that we consume. We're just throwing it out and letting somebody else deal with it. So I have collected all the plastic waste that me and my daughter over the last 4 days have consumed, and this is it. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. This is nuts. So all of that plastic waste would just have gone into the bin before, it would have gone to landfill. So what I've been doing in my household over the last 6 months is eating Ecobricks, and I've taught my daughter how to do this as well. Really simple. All you get is a clean, dry bottle, you open it up and fill it with plastic. So you can use a wooden spoon to do this. You just need a stick or something that you can squish it down. And what I usually do is take maybe a colourful bit of plastic like this and put it in the bottom, because this is actually going to be visually attractive too. You can also, with the bigger pieces of plastic, you can cut it up. So, if you think of all the plastic we use, we have, vegetables wrapped in plastic, we have plastic packaging for posting, we've got, plastic bags. Everything is absolutely drowning in plastic. Let's get rid of this in the most environmentally responsible way that we can. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to stuff my bottle full of plastic so that it's dense enough to become something that we can construct with. You can build absolutely anything with them. And if you think of all of the plastic that you consume in a weekend or in a year, how can you contribute to your local community? So in my local community, I really want these to be used in the local parks, in the gardens, children building these and constructing things in their garden, so that we can pass this forward. We can teach our children really good habits. We can cut down on the waste that's going into our oceans and into landfill. This is an absolutely perfect time to teach ourselves and our families how to do this, because during this pandemic, it's giving us space and time to really reflect on our actions and how we're contributing to the environment. Because at the moment, Mother Earth is healing during this pandemic, and we cannot pass the buck onto other people to get rid of our plastic waste. It's really simple. All you need to do is just get a wooden stick of some sort and just squish it in. Obviously, it's easier to do this as you go, but I've just collected my plastic to show you how much we go through, and we're only a household of 2. Okay, that's my finished Ecobrick, and when it gets to this density, it's really, really hard. It's almost like a brick, so that's why it can be used for construction and is a really solid foundation. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and please send me pictures. Please send me pictures of your creation. Bye!